Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to do a glam makeup, and the reason why I want to do that is because my birthday is coming up and I really want to slay my makeup that day. So today will be all about getting glam and getting pretty and cute. So I am super excited to show you how I'm gonna create this look. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now, and also hit the bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, my loves, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and did my brows and concealed my lid as well. So now we are ready to go ahead and apply our eyeshadows. So using my Morphe palette, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this light brown shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on my crease. And so now that we applied that shade, I'm gonna go ahead and apply like a darker brown. So grabbing a new brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here. It is like a darker brown, but it's not too dark like this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that shade. Yeah, I'm gonna start applying it right on my outer corner. And then grabbing some more, I'm gonna go ahead and also apply it on my inner corner. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start connecting it. And then grabbing a fluffy brush and going with my transition color that I first put, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out my shade. And then I'm gonna go ahead and basically cut my crease just at the center. So grabbing my concealer, this is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, which is the shade 360 Cashmere. And I'm gonna put some in my hand, just like this. And grabbing a concealer brush, I'm going to dip in. And I'm going to start cutting my crease. So now that we cut our crease, I'm gonna go ahead and add like a shimmer gold color. So I'm gonna grab this baby right here, which is like a gold shimmer shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and really pack it right here on my lid. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the shade that I just applied. Okay guys, so this is how the eyes is coming out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liner. Today I am using this baby right here, which is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day liquid liner, and this is how it looks. Okay guys, so now that I apply my wing liner, I'm gonna go off camera very quickly to do this part of the eyes, and I'm also gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. And the lashes that I will be wearing is this baby right here, which is the Batty Beat lashes, and this is the style Insta Ho. Okay guys, so I am back and I already went ahead and applied my lashes. This is the Batty Beat lashes from the style Insta Ho, and they are so beautiful guys. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my makeup base. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face, which I already did off camera, and I went ahead and applied this baby right here, which is the Maybelline Master Prime Face Studio. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. Today I will be applying this baby right here, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. And using my e.l.f. sponge, I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my foundation. Okay guys, so I am back and this is how my eyes came out. This is the glam makeup that I decided to go with today. So for my birthday, I want to do a makeup that I'm already familiar with. So this eyeshadow with the gold shimmer, it's something that I love to do if I want to go for a natural but glam look. So this look with the lashes, OMG, I am obsessed because these lashes are super beautiful and fluffy, and it definitely brings my eyes into the next level. But yeah, my loves, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that way you guys get notified whenever I upload a video. And without any further ado, my loves, I'll see you guys in my next video.